What is LASIK-induced corneal ectasia, or just corneal ectasia? This is Dr. Motwani from Cornea Revolution. In keratoconus, which is a form of ectasia, you actually have a genetic weakness, a weakness in the cornea that causes the cornea to bow forward. In, let's say, LASIK-induced corneal ectasia, what you have is the original LASIK flap either too thick or too much tissue taken out of the base to actually provide structural integrity. In other words, when you do LASIK, you have to leave enough tissue behind to make sure the cornea stays in the same shape, because the corneal flap, the tissue in that, no longer provides structural integrity. And so if you take out too much tissue or make the bed too thin by having too thick a flap, then what happens is you weaken that cornea, and the positive pressure of the fluid inside the eye versus the air outside pushes that cornea out and causing a protrusion and a cone. So it makes a keratoconus-like picture. In topographies, it's usually a little different. Keratoconus really bulges out just below the central line and into the center line. Well, you see slightly different patterns with LASIK-induced ectasia, but that's essentially the mechanics of it. And there are a few other forms of ectasia, the other one being pellucid marginal degeneration. That is another form that occurs when you get older. That has its own sort of pattern, but we treat them all the same when we do treat them. So the ectasia really is a disease of corneal weakness, either surgically induced or disease induced.